Today I need to replace one thing, and it's actually the most important one. My center brake light, this high brake light or center brake light, depending on how you want to call it. Mine is actually damaged. The car is 15 years old, so it's turning 16 this year. It makes sense for it to go, but I've seen cars that still have a very nice one. I don't know what happened to mine. Anyway, I need to replace that. The problem is whenever I start the car, I press on the brakes, and obviously it will tell me inside that center brake light out. Then there's that bulb light warning thing that I don't like, and I can't see anything else other than that bulb the whole time when I'm driving. And I bought this from Temu, and this is the first time buying in an electronic part or electrical part from Temu, believe it or not. And I'm just crossing fingers that it actually works, because it sits like this, so it should work ideally. It should, there's no other way. It has to work, and it's easy to remove and refit. Let me show you how. Let me turn on the car and show you exactly what it does before replacing it. That's what it does, and I'm definitely sure these LEDs are gone, so I need to replace that so that I have a nice solid red light. You can see it flashing in there, and in the center, that's where the IC is that controls the whole system. So ideally I need to put my hand in here, or a trim tool under here, and then start pulling it out. So I'm gonna get a trim tool to assist me in doing that. So it should be easy. So I need to put a trim tool around here or under here so that I can get my hands like that. Oh, actually I don't need a trim tool. There we go. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. And then I need to just disconnect this plug over here. Right, so I've got the plug disconnected, and this is the old light. Yeah, this is the old one. Yeah, you can definitely see. Yeah, these clips are quite tough. They are quite tough to remove, but it came off. Right, let's clean here. So this is new and this is old. So the difference is that the old one is a little bit darker when you look at it from that perspective. And this is the new one. But overall, they look exactly the same. So it should work. It should work. I'm crossing fingers. It looks exactly the same. There's an IC in here that's actually damaged. That little guy over there is actually bent down. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's an IC in there that's actually bent out. So there's a new one here. Everything looks nice. All the LEDs look really nice. And then this is old one. Let's fit in the new one. At least it's an easy one to do. It's not complicated at all. So first off, the plug goes in that we took out. There you go. So the plug is in, and then line it nicely. There we go. Okay, a satisfying pop. But before we test, let's see how it looks from outside the car. Yeah, you can't tell the difference. It actually looks nice. Yeah, it actually looks nice. All right, so let me go turn on the car and see if we still get, if it works. Okay. Yes. Wow, it works. It really looks nice. It's very bright. It's very bright. This is good. Okay, this is very nice. It looks very nice and red. I like it. Okay, So let me start the car, because normally I get that message when I start the car. So let me see if I still get the message. Yeah, old lights going straight to the bin. It served its purpose for the past 15-16 years, so it's going straight to the bin. I hope I don't get that message anymore. Foot on the brake. Okay, does that clean nicely. Sounds nice too. So I'm actually hitting the brakes now. No warning message on the dash. Let me hold the brakes with something and go to the back and see if the light is on. I'm actually using this to hold the brakes. Let me do it now and see if it actually holds. It's been working because I did diagnose this by myself. Oh, it looks really nice. I love the fact that it's very bright because it's a new unit. It's a new brake light. That one I think was also a little bit faded because it was old. So this one is nice because it's new. I love that. I'm happy with it. I mean, this is the first time using something electrical from Temu, and it seems to be working. So I'm happy. I cannot complain. If you need to buy parts from the Yellow app, do so. They work on your car. So I'm happy with that. There you have it. Temu parts work on our cars, and if you were wondering, you can go ahead and buy Temu parts for your car, and it will work definitely. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new one, and I'll catch you next time.